We're going to try to fly the Air Tractor for a battery here, a 353S battery. Winds coming from the north at 11 miles an hour, they claim. So feels more like due north for me for here. Full flaps were armed. Quick check the surfaces. Ready to go. Let's see here. Make one adjustment there. Get that ready to go. Everything looks good. Got 8 volts on the battery, which is a little bit low just from being cold already. So here we go. I've already tried my little track idea. Let's see if that works.
Low battery.
It worked.
Low battery.
Whoa, battery. Yeah, it's saying 3.4. This battery didn't have much life in it. We'll fly it a little bit and see what happens here. Today it's sunny, beautiful blue sky, and the Air Tractor looks great in this blue sky too. The other day I flew it in that snowstorm, and it still looked great, but it looks a lot better when you can actually see the great looking blue. Yep, we're at 360 on the battery, on each cell on the battery right now, so that's a little bit better, a little up. Maybe as it warms up flying, it'll continue to stay well. Getting a little bit of drift. I don't think it quite feels like 11. Feels more like about 7. Up a little bit high there.
Safety off. Low battery. Safety on.
Yeah, we got a loop in, a roll in. Haven't done that in a while with this, especially given the conditions the other day. It was not conducive for flying. It seems like it's getting pushed around a little bit. Means we've been up 2. We're going to try to get a 3rd minute in here. And we are definitely getting the wind now. It's back up to 11. So, let's see how this does. See it kind of scooting there to its left. Getting blown around a lot. I'm fighting to keep it going straight. Sure why it's leaning left to the right so much. Needing a lot of left rudder. Maybe it got bumped a little bit. Still hanging in there at 362 now, up just a hair from where it was. So we'll go a little longer. I'm going to come by for a low slow pass. So getting the battery to warm itself up by running it seems to help the voltage and the power it has. So hopefully this will mean we get at least a couple more minutes of flight. Here it is coming in drifting. Nice and slow.
Low battery.
Oh, now we're low again. I had to increase the throttle there just to get it to go pick up some speed again. I'm up over the... Now let's try another low, slow pass. We'll get a little closer to me this time. No, not quite as slow as last time. Yeah, we are definitely low. Back at about 4.5 per cell.
3 minutes.
Yeah, we've gotten 4 minutes out of it, which isn't too bad. Try one more low, slow pass here. Probably could have landed there.
Low battery.
All right, we'll take it around and bring her down. It's 17 degrees out right now. cold. Wow, it's really drifting there. Barely moving forward. I'm going to go around again so I don't have to walk so far. And definitely a stronger wind than when we first came. Here we go. Hopefully coming down nice and easy. And there it is. It came down with a better landing than in the snow, obviously, the other day when it was blowing really bad. So thank you for watching. Look forward to liking and subscribing. And I love flying my air tractor.